That's a lithium-ion battery exploding.
This hoverboard exploded and burst into flames in the middle of a family's living room.
There were some terrifying moments aboard a JetBlue plane this week when a passenger's carry-on bag exploded. Officials say the lithium-ion battery for a portable phone charger was to blame.
3 generations of the West family gone because of a lithium-ion battery fire that sparked early Sunday morning. Fire officials recovered 2 charred e-scooters from the wreckage.
What happens when a lithium-ion battery catches fire? This can happen because the battery gets too hot, gets overcharged, gets damaged physically. They are generally pretty stable as long as you take care of them the way you're supposed to. But the problem starts once they start overheating. This causes problems with the battery's internal liquids, the electrolyte, which is the stuff that lets the charged particles move through the battery. This electrolyte, in a lot of designs, contains something called ethylene carbamate, which is just this funky looking organic molecule. It's used to dissolve the lithium salts that make the battery a lithium ion battery. These salts, one of them in particular, lithium hexafluorophosphate, when they get heated to a certain temperature, they start to release gases. And these gases kind of exacerbate this pressure buildup in the battery. So then it pops, and the heat that's being generated causes the solvent to catch fire. So now you've got these lithium salts burning, and you've also got the solvent burning, and it's likely going to catch other things on fire. So the immediate go-to is, oh, well, let me throw some water on it. Ah! Don't do that. The temperature that it burns at is so high that it can split the water itself into hydrogen gas and oxygen gas and various mixtures of just the atoms of hydrogen and oxygen, which fuels the fire even more. Now, that isn't to say that there isn't a place for water in controlling these kinds of fires. Indeed, the water does help the fire from spreading, but you need actually what's called a Class D fire extinguisher. This is a specific type of fire extinguisher designed to coat the metal surface chemically such that it can't really react anymore. Firefighting efforts for these kinds of situations do get tricky, and those stories about these fires lasting, for several hours are no joke. But yeah, just a PSA, if you own devices with lithium ion batteries, do take good care of them. Try not to let them get too banged up, because if that battery goes, you kind of just got to let it burn.